Your doors are starting to stick, maybe they're not even latching right anymore, and you're starting to be concerned, maybe even about the safety of your home. Especially if it's your front or back door, you're worried someone might break in. You're just really starting to be concerned about your home. So what does it mean if you are starting to see these door issues, and how do you fix it? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. Let's take a quick look and explain what most of these door issues are and what it means for you and your home. So door problems are very tricky. It could be a couple different things happening. When door problems first start to show up, a lot of people instantly jump to it's most likely your foundation. While there is a potential that foundation settlement could be a causation of your door problems here, it may not be the number one thing actually causing it. There's 5 other things that we'd always suggest doing first before you go to your foundation. Let's explain, if it is foundation settlement, what that is telling you. We'll put a picture up here and explain this out to you. So on this door here, you'll notice that the door is sticking and you can't open this door anymore. So what's happening here is on the side of this picture where the door is sticking, the house has settled and the framing got adjusted and got pulled down, not allowing this door to be shut anymore. On the flip side, this door here, it has a wider gap here on this side of the door, which is telling you that the frame got pulled the opposite way, which is now meaning your hinges are misaligned. So the other fixes for a door problem before you go straight to foundation repair. Number 1, I would try running a 4-inch deck screw in the top hinges of your door and see if maybe you can pull the door more to the side, and maybe that'll fix your problem. Second would be trying and adjusting the strike plates. You can adjust those strike plates and get the door to lock and latch again. Third, you can also cut and sand your door. For a door that's sticking and you can't open or close anymore, you can sand or cut the door, and that'll help you out quite a bit as well. You can also hammer. You can take a 2x4, set it into that door frame and give it a couple taparoos with a hammer and see if you can't get that door frame to shift over just a little bit. That's a couple of different ways that you can fix a door before jumping to foundation repair right off the bat. What should you do now? First, if you do believe that this is foundation settlement related and you might need foundation repair, first thing I would do is then start to check for other signs and symptoms of settlement around your home. Cracks around your door frames, cracks around your windows, especially diagonal cracks. Just start checking around your house and see if you have any other signs and symptoms of settlement going on in your house. Additionally, you can check the outside, see if you have any stair-step cracks in your brick, see if you have any window separation. Just check around your whole house for something that doesn't look right to you anymore, and then maybe consider foundation settlement related once you see those other signs and symptoms. And of course, as always, we're gonna put a link down in the description here that does take a deep dive on the doors, specifically in this article. More signs and symptoms of settlement, there'll be links in that article as well that take you to different parts of our website. And that's all I got, folks.